how to enable or disable record CPU profile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search system tracing from here. So search system tracing. So you will see system tracing is here. So click on system tracing. Now here, so if you want to enable or disable record CPU profile, so you will see record CPU profile is here. So if you want to enable record CPU profile, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see record CPU is enabled. So if you want to disable record CPU profile, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see record CPU profile is disabled. So you will enable or disable record CPU profile from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable record CPU profile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.